Did you know you could create a motivational promo video for your product just using AI? Enter the Magnific AI Suite and follow these steps. Inside the AI image generator, click on New Object. Give it a name and upload several photos of your product. This will help the AI understand how it looks, so you can generate consistent images of it later. Once ready, create your object. Write your prompt and select the Mystic 2.5 model. It's perfect for getting the best quality and detail. Don't forget to tag your object. Set the 16:9 aspect ratio for a cinematic layout. Once you've got all your visuals, go to Creations, pick one and click Edit. Click Resize to tweak framing and format to your liking. Go to the Upscaler tool and select Magnific mode to upscale it to 4K resolution and get even more detail. Repeat this process with every image you'll use in your scenes. Now we're ready to animate. Head over to the AI video generator and choose Google VO2 for realism and high fidelity. Pick one of your visuals as the starting frame. Write your scene prompt and voila, your image is now in motion. Go to the voice generator, select your language and favorite voice, and write your script. Want to add a final touch? Browse the Magnific audio library and pick the perfect inspirational track for your ad. Repeat the process for every scene. Then combine your clips, voice, and music into one fabulous AI-generated commercial. It's sharp, it's realistic, and it looks amazing.